Everybody, welcome out to another Classics Are Better. I'm Travis, and today we are out at the 16th annual LMC GoodGuys Lone Star Nationals here at Texas Motor Speedway. I apologize for the wind. It is crazy out here. It's like a 70% chance of rain, as you can see with the clouds and everything, but I am out here and we're going to get as much eye candy as we can in today. Let's go check it all out. I think I'm starting to turn into a wagon guy. This thing is awesome. This thing is freaking rad. So if you guys haven't been out to one of these Good Guy Nationals before, this one specifically is 99 and older. Hot rods, muscle cars, cool trucks, customs, pretty much all the above cool stuff older than 1999. But there's a lot of neat stuff out here, even with the impending weather. Let's go exploring. Really like this Jimmy over here. Love a nice stepper. Those hot rods brought out the goodies today. They got a ton of cool stuff out here. So one of the big sponsors on this one is LMC. And you can see they have a really cool, huge tent with products, places to sit, which are bench seats, which is kind of cool, but neat area out here. This is kind of like the sponsor row, if you will, or area out here, but lots of cool stuff, lots of cool big brands out here. Let's go explore. Definitely dig the flake steering wheel. Got a Hellcat powered power wagon. Can't go wrong with that. Check out this crew cab action line C10. Hells yeah. And it's got velocity stacks. Can't get better than that. Well, the sun's peeking out a little bit, guys. We might have lucked out here, maybe going around us. Fingers crossed. Found some really cool super birds over here. Let's check them out. in the always awesome Roadster shop. Well, this is the first time I've seen a Fox body cutaway. Looks like they got a Camaro too. Really digging the patina on this one. All right, friends, so I'm up in the front parking lot here at Texas Motor Speedway still. Again, I apologize about the wind. It's only about Mach 8 out here. You can take a look at the flags to see how nuts the wind is right now. I've seen two of these lemonade things blow over. Well, and it's so windy, I just had to chase my hat down. That's fun. Which I will say is available on classicsorbetter.com. We're out more like in the general admission area now. Let's see what kind of cool rides people brought out to the show. With matching trailer. Well, I don't know what I'm looking at here, but I like it.
For the blowout sale with an array of men's and women's t-shirts, hot rod t-shirts.
All right, guys, so that is going to do it for Friday out here at the 16th annual LMC Good Guys Lone Star Nationals show at Texas Motor Speedway. It has been a windy one, but luckily the rain has held out today. Again, this is Friday. They also have it tomorrow, 8 to 5. I'm going to try and come back out tomorrow, but it's supposed to rain until like 3:30, so there might not be a huge turnout, and it might just be too crazy to get out in. I shall see, but today was a success. Tons of cool cars, lots of great people I got to talk to out here. If you ever get to come to one of these, I highly suggest you do. But as always, guys, thank y'all for watching. Get out, get wrenching when you can, and I'll see y'all next time. Have a good one.